Well, it's been nice and dry, but it's not staying that way. Not overnight. It's all coming in.
It's coming tonight.
You've got the cold air has got the grip. I mean, it's
Cold
settled
air, yeah.
in. It didn't get much warmer today, so whatever comes out of that sky, I expect it.
Yeah, and we could miss that snow by just 1 degree, Doug. We're right in that middle of not being cold enough to see snow, but there's also that chance we get that degree and we see snow. I'm working hard this week. I just want people to know. I've been looking at the models so closely.
Everybody always says it's the Ohio River that does it for us, and it moves it up north to Indiana.
Is it really? Well,
I don't know.
You know, I've been through all the models. I'm going to show you what I think is possible here. Even if we see snow, how much could we see? Let's look at the radar right now. It's dry for now, but it's expected to pick up overnight tonight. You can see off to the west in southern Illinois, that divide between snow and rain starting to enter the western state of Kentucky here over the next hour. So throughout the rest of this evening, if you have any Friday night plans, we're staying mostly dry. However, if you're out past 11 p.m., that's when we'll start to see a few of those scattered showers that I'm going to start to track as early as 11 o'clock. By the time we head towards 3 o'clock, that is when it's expected to be widespread. Likely going to see that rain before we potentially see some of those snow showers, so pretty slushy across North Vernon and Madison at this time. But northeast of Louisville, around Newcastle, Frankfort, notice their temperatures are around 33 to 34. Our forecast shows 37. That's not cold enough to see those snow showers. But if we have that opportunity to get that cold, it is likely to see snow showers here across the metro, even maybe a light dusting across Shepherdsville and Bardstown. It really just depends how cold we get in our atmosphere from what can fall from the sky. So you should know that this is a very hard forecast to nail exactly where that snow rain line is. 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, that's when we'll start to lighten up. Higher chance of seeing snow showers from Frankfort, Newcastle, Madison, and North Vernon, areas across the Bluegrass, south of Cincinnati. It's more likely for you guys to see some accumulating snow. Briefly, because by the time we head towards lunchtime, it will start to melt, especially on pavement. So even if we do see accumulating snow here, it's likely going to melt, which will be great for our roads, but it might have that opportunity to stick to some grassy areas. By the afternoon, we're nice and dry. Last spurt of some moisture overnight Saturday night through Sunday. A few scattered showers out there. So there are some flurries possible if we happen to get cold enough. Not going to be impactful throughout the most part on Sunday. Will be mostly dry throughout the afternoon and evening. So let's talk about it. If there's that chance that we get cold enough, I think it's a possibility of maybe getting up to an inch here across the metro. So don't be surprised if we happen to just see cold rain or snow. It's right in that middle. So if the chances where it's farther off to the south, we could even see it maybe as far south as Bardstown, maybe up to 2 inches just south of Cincinnati around the Bluegrass area. Could clip a few of our western, northeastern counties around Trimble County, Henry County, Shelby County. Those are the areas that have the higher chance of seeing it. So breaking down what you need to know, we're not really expecting too much of travel issues, just some wet roads out there. I'd recommend to not be on the roads tomorrow morning, but I think by 11 o'clock, most of it will melt. Not really concerned with any icy conditions. So the farther northeast you go towards Cincinnati, the higher chance of seeing those snow showers. We are not ruling out that chance here in the metro. My fingers are crossed. I know Doug and Connie's fingers are crossed. We're due for it, but we have more chances. Looking at Tuesday, we'll see a lot of rain and another windstorm heading our way, or I guess not another one. It'll be mainly wind with that second system, and then potentially another chance of seeing snow showers early Wednesday morning. Our focus is on tomorrow, and I'll keep you updated with changes.
All right.